Hey everybody, it's Janice with Creating Through Chaos. I'm going to start this project off with this piece of scrap wood that I had, and I am just going to paint it with a white paint, and I did the whole thing, top, bottom, sides, and back. Just a quick coat. Once it was all painted, I am going to take this napkin that I got at Walmart, and I am going to Mod Podge it to the front of this. This is kind of like, has like 3 sides to it. I think it was, I don't know, some fencing, maybe some trim, something. I found a whole box of it on the side of the road. I had made pumpkins out of it before and still had this extra piece left. So I am going to add some Mod Podge all over the top of it. And then I am going to lay my napkin down, making sure that it's centered. I want that deer right in the center. And then just pat it all down. And then I'm going to let that dry. Once it was dry, I'm going to take my sander and sand off all of the excess napkin. Now that I have that all sanded and everything is dry, I'm going to take some antique wax and run it around all of the edges. Right across those center ones too. Just making sure that I give it a nice aged antiqued look. Next, I am going to start adding some greenery to the top. So I'm just going to hot glue down a bunch of different greenery that I had. And I just picked a bunch of pieces off of a few different picks that I had. So I just cut them all off, kind of adding which ones that I like. And then I had these antlers, and I'm going to add these right in with the greenery. So I'm just going to set those right in that greenery. And I have antlers from Dollar Tree, but I could not find them, so I had these ones on hand. I would rather have used the antlers from Dollar Tree because I liked them better. So now I'm just going to add some greenery right around those antlers. And then some white berry picks that I had that I also cut off of another pick. And then just keep adding the greenery till I liked the way that it looked. I wanted the top to be kind of full. Making sure that it's all being held down well. Now I'm going to add this little pine cone to the center. I'm going to cut off the little piece of wire. And then I had these little white berries, and I'm going to add 2 of those underneath the pine cone. That took a minute to hold to make sure that it was going to stay. So these little berries that I'm going to add underneath will help hold that up till the glue sets. I'm just going to pop those in there, and those will help hold that up until that glue is all set. And look how cute this is. Finally, I decided to add a little twine bow right behind that pine cone. And then I did end up adding a white leaf. It's a wooden leaf from another pick at the top, at the end. And I think that was the final touch that I was looking for. I think this turned out so adorable. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you guys for watching. And as always, don't forget to spread the chaos.